Hello friends, welcome to a new video. This is the owner of Telegram, Pavel Durov. This one who has been arrested in Paris, in France. This can also become a kind of case study for those who will create social media. So what a scene. We will talk about what is going on and how Tigra is going to be banned in India also. First of all, Pavel Durov was arrested in Paris, in France, and now a bar has been imposed on him that he should not leave from there. Why was he arrested in France? See, Pavel Durov was earlier a Russian citizen, but he has taken many citizenships. He probably also has Russian citizenship, and after that he also has citizenship in the UAE and also has citizenship in France. So, there are many multiples of this. If you have nationality, then here he was caught in France because you know that in France the laws in Paris, in this area, are very dangerous and very strict. You must have heard about the European Union, brother. The laws there are like this. Even the big tech companies bow down before their laws. Like, because the European Union is a group of countries, they feel that there should be only Type C here. Why do you have such different charging? So they basically bow down there. The laws are very strict and, the small countries or the rest of the world keep an eye on them and accordingly change things in their countries and bring implementation. So here they are arrested because they are not able to stop bad illegal things on their platform. Illegal things mean crimes against children or wrong adult content, scams, illegal transactions, manipulation of money. All these things are wrong and dirty. Now, Pavel Durov is not the only person who is not cooperating with the government or who should be cooperating with the government. One has to work, but the difference between other platforms and Telegram is what the other platforms do because they also have a policy that they cannot share users' data. So what do they say? Do you know that this is not forbidden? They say that we do not have the data, we are trying, we will help the government. Then they keep rotating the government and do only as much data as they say should be shared according to their policy. He takes things down, deletes them, removes them if he is wrong, even though he is not known for this. That's why his platform is safe, but Pavel Durov has a limited team, maybe 30 to 35 people. They use Telegram a lot, which is their URL, and share question papers, study material, lectures, etc. with the students because more files can be shared in it. Currently the files are like WhatsApp web, illegal things, adult things are shared. There is a lot of piracy, viruses, etc., and scams, which are trading scams. Stock market scams are going on a lot on Telegram. Sebi had also probably complained, etc. These kinds of things are going on Telegram. Now, because most of the things on Telegram work with end-to-end encryption, it will not be possible for the government to directly invest in the investigation. But still, the government in India has imposed investigation on it. Investigation is going on, and if anything illegal is found in the investigation, then in India, I would have taken my steps back. Otherwise, I would have been running social media right now. I would have also tried to open a social media because I do some coding, and social media can be created on scripts on open platforms. At the time of starting, I had thought, because I have a background in web development, so I thought that, let's create a social media of India by doing Carla book like this. Make some, but I have stepped back because people share anything. Even I had thought of making a video platform a few years ago, but I am not able to make it because I'm not able to assemble a team for moderation. I was able to do it, and if someone uploads a wrong video, then I'm responsible for it, which can be a very risky thing. Where will I go and what will I watch? So that's why I removed it, and I focused all my attention on my YouTube scene. Friends, this can be a case study to show how dangerous it can be to run a social media. You can get arrested for something that you have not done, although you have acted irresponsibly by not controlling that thing. Still, this whole scene is going on. If you think it is going right, then write in the comment section. If it is not going right, then write in the comment section and tell me what you think about that thing. If you liked the video, like it and share it with your friends. If you are interested in cybersecurity and hacking, then check the description. I will meet you in the next video. Thank you so much and goodbye.